I'm in an area called Om Noi, which is west of Bangkok. And the reason I'm over here in this little neighborhood is because I heard about a woman who's been making Pad Krapow for 25 plus years. And I heard it's the best you're gonna get. So I came over to this little neighborhood to try it out. Om Noi is a industrial area. Lots of factories, lots of factory workers. So when they get off, they come out and they usually pick something up to eat on their way home. This area here is one of those little areas close to the factories where people come out, pick up things for the way home. About an hour ago, this place was just crowded with people coming in here after they get out of the factories, picking something up to eat and headed home with it. Say hello.
Hello.
Again, this place around 6 o'clock, it's about 7 o'clock now, is just crowded with people all coming home out of all these factories that are around here, picking up their food on the way home. But again, we are here for one thing and one thing only, to have some of the best Pad Krapow ever made. So this is a little neighborhood, and there are 4 apartment blocks here, 5 stories high, maybe 10, 12 units on each floor. And that's the way these neighborhoods are. They become little self-contained neighborhoods. You've got your little markets, your hair salon, you've got bike shops, tailors, dressmakers, all these people, and they just all take care of themselves in these neighborhoods. It's fantastic. Sawadee Krap.
สวัสดีค่ะสับไหมสับ
So this is starting off with the chicken. You're gonna mince the chicken up.
เดี๋ยวสับไม่ออก
And just some steamed white rice goes onto the plate. Little oil into the wok.
รู้เรื่องได้บ้างเป็นบางคำไม่แข็งแรงไม่แข็งแรงเนี่ยพี่ดาวเข้ามาดิเนี่ยฮะ
So she's starting with frying the egg. And you'll see this egg is just fried in the oil, which is kind of a Thai style. Then you get a little crunchy around the edges. Just get the oil up over the top of the egg, help cook it.
เราจะมาทำ YouTube เหรอแต่ไม่ต้องเค็มมาก
So starting with some chilies.
สไปซี่
Yes, spicy. And
ซอส
กระเทียม
what is that?
กระเทียม
What is that?
ไม่รู้จักเหรอกินกระเทียมอ่ะ
Okay, well that might be garlic. I don't know what that is, but anyhow. Now stirring in the chicken, throwing in some Thai chilies.
ไทยชิลลี่กินแมวผัดใหญ่
ไปถึงอเมริกาเลยนะ
Then they put the egg right on top of the rice.
ค่ะแล้วน้ำซุปไง
What's this? A little bit more oil in there.
ซอส
Some fish sauce,
ซอส
a little bit.
ซีอิ๊วดำไม่เอาใช่ไหม
A little bit of soy
ใส่
sauce,
นิดหน่อย
just a little bit.
ลูก
Some
ตา
sugar,
นั่นน่ะเห็นไหมก็รู้แล้วเห็นไหมจุด
a little bit of salt,
เมียจะได้ทำอะไร
น้ำมันหอย
some, what is that, oyster sauce?
ใบกะเพรา
Oh, there you go. The most important part, the Thai basil.
ไทยเป็นสุดกิน
เอาแห้งๆไหมหรือว่ามีน้ำนิดๆครับแห้งไหมแห้งเลยเพราะว่าเราพอจะกินด้วย
And there you go. As easy as that.
s ลัด น้ำปลาเอาไหมไม่เอา เอาเขาบอกว่าเอา
A little bit more
ค่ะ
Thai chili and oil. And there you have it. That easy. And that's the Pad Krapow made by Meow. Say hi. Sawadee Kap.
จ้า
So we just learned how to make Pad Krapow from Meow, who's been here 27 years, cooks this about 100 times a day, 365 days a year. So do the math and figure out how many times this woman has made this dish. So do me a favor, guys, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel so I can go out and find more of this for you. And this is the kind of stuff I want to share with the community. So please hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll continue to make these videos for you. So now I'm going to enjoy some of the best Pad Krapow ever made.
คนเยอะ เห็นไหม
So you can see a simple dish made thousands and thousands and thousands of times. It just comes out to perfection. One of the best Pad Krapow I've ever had. You need to find areas like this, eat food from people that do it every day, and that's all they do. You'll get the best meal you've ever eaten.
ไม่รู้จักภาษาอีกโรงเรียนไม่ได้เรื่องเลย
That was probably the best Pad Krapow I've ever had. So again, thanks to my friend who told me about this place, otherwise I would have never ventured over here. And thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. And please, again, hit that subscribe button for me. See you on the next one. Thanks.